I really like this pouch. It looks really sturdy and strong. Made of nylon, a nylon zipper, and here is for you to carry it. Very comfortable. And the other side has the DR.ÖTEK logo. Very nicely done. And this is another strap if you want to carry it on your shoulder. No compartments, okay? So just to carry your detector here, and looks really good. The digging knife, the DR.ÖTEK digging knife, has a nice sheath. It is gradiated to 6 inches and serrated on both sides to cut through the ground and roots. Very nice, and very nice non-slip handle, and it looks really solid. It has a powder coating to protect the steel. Really nice.